This is very important because you work at a team. If you are not able to work in team, we will not be able to grow, because we will rise. Now the team maybe is only actually we are 4 person now in this project. You, Danny, and one copywriter. This is the team. But after 1 year we will be 7, 8. And if somebody work very well, but he's not able to ask the team, to work with the team, to do the team meetings, if he's a big introvert, he will not be in the team, because I'm leader. I'm not a boss. I'm leader. I don't want to speak with people, to work with people that don't have passion to rise with me together. This is the difference here. I am not your boss. You are part of the team. I am part of your team. Just I'm the main person of the team that record the videos. If you are owner of the restaurant and you have 5 bartenders, you have 3 people to cook in the kitchen, right? You have 10 waitress. You have bartender, somebody that made cocktails, put the whiskey, right? You have 3 people like that. Okay, you have 20 people today, and you are owner of this restaurant. You're the boss. A lot of money, you take a lot of money. Okay, and my question here is, what happens if they don't come to work today? Are you still the big boss? Before you are the boss, you maybe you are the best waitress of the world. Maybe you are the best cocktail maker of the world. Maybe you can be at the same time the best waitress, the best cocktail maker, and the best cooker of the world. But you can't open your restaurant without the team that you have already. Because the client will come and you are not able to go to put them the drink, to cook the food, and to give them everything on time. At any business, at every business, but people, the big bosses, very often they forgot this. I can't do anything without you. Because I can record the videos, but who will edit them? Yes, I can buy a bigger computer, but I still need to edit the videos. Okay, I can hire someone else. Yes, of course. But if we are bigger, if we are very big, I will not want to spend the time to teach other people, because I will already have a clients, and I will be more happy to work with somebody that already know everything than to search for other people that need to educate themselves half year or 3 months before they start. Because if I start now with somebody else, he will not have your knowledge, because your knowledge is gold. You already know it, but most of the people don't know it. If I hire 10 or 20 or 30 people, they will not know this that you already know for the last 3 months. I'm sure in that. They will know only how to edit, but now somebody need to give them instructions. Somebody need to teach them step by step how it needs to look, something that you already know. And the power of the team is that if you want to be a part of the team, you need to learn all the time. You need to share your learning with the others of the team all the time. And you need to be so good that nobody to want to say, I stop working with you. Because if you go to this breakpoint, after that, you will never be without work, because everybody will want to work with you. This happened to me already, but in Bulgaria, in my country. Now I can start as software engineer for 10,000 tomorrow if I want. Every day somebody write me in LinkedIn and say, Mr. Cvetan Radushev, we want to hire you. Let's speak with you. We need team lead. We need manager of our team. You have 10 years experience with that. I can. I really quit my job as a programmer, as a software engineer. Then I can do 10,000. The people that I educate 10 years ago now take 7,000 Bulgarian leva here. This is around $5,000 in Bulgaria. This is very big salary here. And I educate them. then if I was continue with this, I was able to take maybe 2 or 3 times more. But I don't want to work this. I want to do YouTube channel, to rise at YouTube, to grow in YouTube, to be with some other people at the team, to be at education business, to have a platform for education. This is my passion here. Maybe you see that I do it with a lot of passion. It's not about the money, it's about the work. Then if you like your work and if you do your work good, it's not about the money, because all the money in the world will not make me happy. I don't need money.